Iron deficiency leads to anemia, but in children it can cause many neurological problems.
Iron is needed for a lot of chemicals and chemical reactions in the brain, and iron deficiency can lead to a lot of neurological problems in children. One problem, a very common problem in young children, is something called breath holding spell. Breath holding spells occur in young children from 6 months to 3 years of age. In this condition, the child starts crying because he's upset or angry because of any reason. It could be anything. Maybe he wants a toy that he's not able to get, or he's fallen from the bed and hurt himself. A child who starts crying because he's upset or angry. Then he starts holding his breath. He turns blue, and because of oxygen deficiency to the brain, he can lose his consciousness and start having jerking of limbs or stiffening of limbs. This can look like a seizure, and frequently this condition is misdiagnosed as epilepsy and treated with anti-epileptic drugs, whereas all that is needed is an iron supplementation. Another common manifestation of iron deficiency in children is restless leg syndrome or growing pains. This is seen in older children who are 3 to 5 years of age. These children have pain in the legs, especially in the evenings or in the night time, and they're not able to sleep because of this pain, and they keep asking their parents to press their legs. This is also because of iron deficiency.
Iron deficiency may lead to many complications and may present with different symptoms in the child.
Other manifestations of iron deficiency, which can occur even without anemia, include hyperactivity, poor school performance, irritability, temper tantrums, and in rare cases, even stroke in children has been associated with iron deficiency. So it is important for parents to recognize these symptoms whenever a child has any hyperactivity, irritability, temper tantrums, breath holding spells, or growing pains, to consult a doctor, because this could be a manifestation of iron deficiency, and this is easily treatable with iron supplementation.
Iron supplementation and proper management may help to overcome the complications and prevent any problem due to the deficiency. Kiran Bhardwaj, DD News.